As Mumbai police intensifies its probe in Republic TV's fake TRP racket, India Today has accessed details of Mumbai police's questioning with the ratings agency BARC. BARC has told cops that accused Vishal Bhandari confirmed that he was a relationship manager for 83 households. The information sought by cops was for every channel, but BARC mentioned only 3 channels that include Republic TV, Vox Cinema and Fakt Marathi. BARC also revealed that there were at least 10 households with Republic TV spike. The rating agency also submitted graphical analytical reports to Mumbai cops. Mumbai's Crime Intelligence Unit, or the CIU, called up those 10 households to corroborate their response with those of BARC's. The household owners claim that they do not even like Arnab Goswami or Republic TV for that matter, but they were given 400 rupees a month to keep the Republic TV channel on. Divyesh is now joining us live for the very latest. Divyesh, the big story breaking, of course, is about BARC giving out more incriminating material on Republic TV that nails them on the TRP fixing scam, Divyesh.
Yeah, Chaiti, BARC, the rating agency, has also provided a lot of details to the Mumbai police, which has initiated probe. BARC, in their statement issued yesterday, clearly stated that they are in complete support of the Mumbai police, which has launched this investigation concerning the rigging of TRPs, bribing people, playing with credibility issues, and then sourcing fake advertisement revenues on basis of rigged TRPs. And that is why BARC is now come out in full support of Mumbai police, and they are trying to cooperate, trying to provide all possible details on the investigation that has been launched. Also, there are chances, as pointed out by Parambir Singh, the Mumbai Police Commissioner, that other than Mumbai, other places where barometers have been placed for TRPs, cases could be registered there as well. But as of now, the jurisdiction of Mumbai Police is in Mumbai, and they are investigating the 2,000 households where barometers were placed.
So it's amply clear. It is amply clear that this is just the beginning, and there could be more that could come out. And what is really interesting here is that the BARC has told the Mumbai cops that they've got more incriminating evidence against Republic TV. The Mumbai police has definitely intensified its probe into Republic TV's fake TRP racket. We here at India Today have accessed the digital proof of how Republic fixed ratings. Take a look at those visuals on your screens at the moment. On your screens right now are the visuals of Vishal Bhandari's Google Pay statement. In these visuals, it is clearly visible that Vishal Bhandari sent 500 and 400 rupees to certain households to watch Republic TV. Remember, these are the households where TRP meters are fixed. Mumbai police has also recovered a diary from him that is names of TRP meters and households. And according to the police, they have recorded the statement of the members of these households, and all of them have confirmed that Republic TV was paying them to watch their channel. Police have also received data to corroborate spike in Republic views on these matters. Meanwhile, you've got Vishal Bhandari and other 3 accused who have been produced at Esplanade Magistrate Court. Divyesh is joining us live. Divyesh, what are you picking up from your sources in the Mumbai police in terms of the summons that is going to be issued now to Republic TV's promoters, owners, BARC going ahead and providing more incriminating material against Republic TV for the TRP fixing scam? It's only a matter of time before they are summoned.
Chaiti, very soon summons are going to be issued to all the office bearers, whoever was responsible, and also the promoters and editor-in-chief of Republic TV, so that they could be questioned, and after that Mumbai police will decide their further course of action. But they are going to be summoned. They will be investigated by the Mumbai Crime Branch Central Crime Intelligence Unit. Right now, teams are across the city and they are interviewing, they are questioning several suspects, several other people. Also, those households where barometers have been placed, those households are being checked, people are being questioned, they are being asked about Bhandari and various others who were working as relationship manager for the agency named Hansa, which was an agency working for BARC, which is one of the complainant, which is the complainant in this case. And the whole scam came to light only when Mumbai police started investigating. They came to know that there were 3 channels where sudden spike was observed, and they have investigated a very small period. As pointed out by the BARC complaint, they have only investigated from June
Okay.
to September 2020. But there are high chances that this was going on for a very long
course.
time. This has been going on since the induction of the channel, and that is why they are going to.
And not
police is
just
going
going
to
on
look
for a very long time, just in Mumbai, and as our colleagues were also pointing out earlier, this could perhaps, not just be restricted to Mumbai, but we're not going to be drawing any kind of conjectures at the moment. This is just the start. Republic TV rigging TRPs. This is a scam which is being exposed. The BARC has also gone ahead and exposed Republic TV. The Mumbai police has exposed them. The witnesses have exposed them.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.